Friday. It is so good to see you, and thanks for joining me here today. Well guys, we are doing something totally different today. I had to come up with something on the fly because unfortunately I was only able to pre-film one video before we left for San Francisco. So I was sitting in the hotel room yesterday and I thought, what could I do? I can't do a video here. Well, I came up with this. Today we are doing a virtual decorate with me. What I decided to do was find some cute items on Amazon and I curated looks for you guys. Now, do not feel pressure to buy anything at all. This is purely just for inspiration, if you will. And when I did this kind of video before, many of you said you loved it and you enjoyed it. So in today's video, we're gonna start out with 2 outdoor bench ideas. I didn't get to share this with you yet, but I decorated the front of my front porch with a bench and pillows and florals and a wreath, and it was so cute. You guys will see that next time I go back to West Virginia. So I sort of curated these looks to kind of mimic what I did at home. And then we're gonna morph into some other vignettes and a wall vignette at the end that I think is so cute. I did order one of the things. I already have it decorated at my West Virginia home, but I'm gonna show you how to create a wall vignette if you have a big blank wall space and you wanna fill it. I'm gonna show you how. Let's roll the clip. So the first look we're going for is an outdoor black bench. Black is classic, it never goes out of style. And I have paired it with 3 black and white striped outdoor pillows. And I'm gonna be linking everything below just in case you do like anything, you'll know where to get it. And then we've paired it with a topiary pillow. So cute for summer. All right, friends, these are the items we're working with. Here is a beautiful black bench I picked out. Here are 4 pillows I chose to go together. And this is what it looks like put together on the bench. Now let's add a side table and a rustic wood tray. To that, let's add a floral arrangement and an outdoor lantern. And we can't forget a sweet little bird. And this is what it looks like without the rustic wood tray. So I don't know about all of you, but when I think of summer, I think of lemons. I don't know, it's just bright, it's cheery, it's colorful. And so I have decided to bring the lemons outside to the front bench. Let's look at this next curated look I've created. All right, let's look at my second outdoor look, and these are the items we'll be working with. Let's add a white outdoor bench, and to that, we're gonna be adding 2 green pillows and a lemon pillow. And let's throw it all together. Isn't that adorable? Love the pops of color. And now we're gonna decorate the front doors with 2 lemon wreaths, and we're gonna finish it off with a welcome sign. So cute. Okay, so my next look is, we're going coastal. We're gonna create a coastal vignette on a shiplap tray. Let's roll it. Okay, we're starting out with this beautiful coastal farmhouse shiplap tray. And these are the items we're gonna be placing on the tray. This could go farmhouse, this could go coastal farmhouse. It works for both. And this is the end look. I absolutely love all the texture from the lamp to the bottles to the candle holder. All right, my next vignette is super simple. It is showing how to take an open lantern and just jazz it up. All right, so what you see here is a white distressed open lantern, a glass cylinder, a flameless flickering candle, and a buffalo check ribbon. Let's throw it together. These open lanterns are so versatile because you can decorate them any number of ways, but here you see a glass cylinder, a candle, and a ribbon. Super simple, but very cute. All right, my next vignette is adorable. It's using a rustic wood beaded tray, and let me show you the items we're gonna place on the tray. All right, well, we're gonna start out with this beautiful wood beaded tray, and to that, we're gonna be adding this white and wood distressed candle holder. To that, we'll be adding a flameless flickering candle for our ambiance, and this cute garden topiary. and a beautiful wreath. We will also be using these wooden decorative beads. And here's a view of all the items we will be using, and let's put it all together. And this is the final look. Texture is the name of the game. I love using wreaths as a backdrop. And I like to use them because I really feel like it gives your vignettes visual interest. It makes them come alive and pop. Okay, my next vignette is something I absolutely love, and I own both of them. So I'm gonna be showing you a farmhouse sign I found on Amazon. I highly, highly recommend it. It is absolutely stunning, gorgeous, super good quality. It comes packed impeccably. And then I'm sharing a wall shelf that I also purchased on Amazon. Very unique and different looking. I've already shared it with you guys, but pairing the two together, it looks amazing. It really does. And so I'm gonna show you a few different ways to style it, and then we're gonna morph into how to create a space filler wall vignette. Stick with me. Okay, here is the farmhouse sign that I absolutely love, and this is the shelf I already shared with you guys. And here it is installed above the TV in our house. And we have LED lights on the back of our TV. It lights up the sign at night. It is absolutely stunning. And the wall shelf you see beneath the sign, it's not a wide shelf, so really all you can place on it is probably a garland. But the good news is you can change your garland out through the seasons, and it gives it an entirely new look. Now in this clip, this is a wall display I created, and I think it's perfect for a wall where you've got a lot of wall space and you need to fill it. This is very clean, it's tidy, it's pretty, and it's cozy. It's got ambiance, it has all the things. If you're a symmetrical kind of gal like I am, then this is a look you might consider. I added 2 rustic white shutters from Amazon, and I added 2 wall sconces to those shutters. All you do is screw the sconces into the shutters and you've got a one-of-a-kind wall sconce. Okay, now in my last few clips, I'm gonna show you several different ways to style the same table and shutter mirror, but different ways. I can vouch for this beautiful mirror. I personally have it and I love it. You have the versatility to keep it closed and make it look like a window with the mirror being the reflective property behind it, or you can simply open the shutters, it opens, and you can decorate, have a table beneath it, put your shutter mirror, open them. You could use it on a mantle. That would be really pretty and unique looking. You could hang a wreath. I didn't do that in this one. I'm gonna show how I use a wreath on a plate stand, or you could use an easel of some sort, like a large plate stand, but use it more like an easel. That's what I'm gonna show in the next few clips. So I've got kind of a French country, a patriotic, and just a very simple farmhouse look. So let's check it out. Alrighty, we have a table and a shutter mirror, gorgeous. This is what it looks like closed, and this is what it looks like open. And now I'm gonna add a large plate stand to the center. And now we're gonna add this adorable sign and 2 lamps and some greenery. And honestly, have fun with that arch. Add different garlands through the seasons, add some bendable wire branches, and to that add some fairy lights or plug-in lights. Have fun with it. Now in this look, I've added a beautiful summer wreath, and to that I'm gonna be adding 2 topiaries, 1 large, 1 small, and 1 rooster for a very French country look and feel. What I really wanted to do was add a beautiful French country looking platter and hang the wreath from up above. Now to this vignette, I've added a patriotic wreath to the plate stand, and then I'm gonna add some wooden little firecrackers with patriotic ribbon and some glass candle holders with LED flameless flickering candles. All right, my sweet friends, well, that will wrap up my Friday video. Sorry it wasn't more exciting. I was just trying to give you guys something since I didn't get that video filmed. I just didn't want to leave you guys hanging, but I mean, I think I gave you some fun inspiration that you might be able to use in your decor. So with all that said, I'll be back in Virginia in a few days. And when you see me next Wednesday, we'll be back to more decorating. So I hope to see you then. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye, guys.